Hello, this is Laskaai and today I'm going to show you how I paint and craft this self-portrait. I've always wanted to make a mini version of myself that I can customize like a game character, although I can't really change anything because I glue it all together. But if you want to make this, you can make it so that you can change any elements that you want, including, for example, like the accessories or maybe the clothing and etc. That's basically it, so let's get to the build. I first searched for a reference picture that I wanted to use and started working on the sketch. The first sketch would become the baseline that I could trace on for all the individual parts that I needed. Because I don't have the table thing that can light up, I simply used my study lamp. You can also use a tablet, a flashlight, or basically anything you can get your hands on. Sorry about that. After watching Gox's videos, I just really want to try that transition. Anyway, after finishing the sketch, it's painting time. As you might be able to tell, I am not a professional artist. Here, let me show you. These are my little failures. This one doesn't look like me. This one I'm trying to make it look cool by closing its eyes, but now it just looks like that I'm sleeping while smiling at the same time. This looks like ZHC as a baby. Anyway, I'm trying to do better.
Trying to do better.
I went with the wave design because at the time it was the World's Oceans Day and I wanted to make a tribute to it. If you want to learn how to make the waves, just go to Kellogg's Loops video, that's where I learned it from, and I think you will find it very helpful, as did I. But, to put it simply, I used a blue pigment and firstly apply a light paint all over the coat and gradually darken it using more blue or add a little black to each part of the waves. I also used white ink to add more details and splashed some of it all over the coat. So that's basically it, and here's the final shot. Before I end the video, just a little note, I cut out each part of the waves and make it so it has different thickness to make it more 3D looking. I glued a carton to its back to make it harder, and super glued the magnet so it can stick anywhere. If you want to make it customizable, my suggestion is you can use the magnet to the accessories and the clothing, or you can also use sockets, unlike gluing it like I did. And I'm sorry if the art process is not thorough. I really am trying to be better, and thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Hi. 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 Have you... Damn it. Yes. So, have you ever wanted to make Since I was a kid. Hi, my name is Laskaai and today I'm going to show you how I create this self-portrait. I've